Hey guys, we're back and today we're testing these Robo Boats by Zuru. They have these water sensors at the bottom and they only go if you put it in water. So what's really cool about these boats is when it hits the wall, this little button makes it go backwards. So this boat comes with a rudder, so you can adjust it to do donuts. Every type has a different design. This one has a fossil design. This one has a robo design. This one has a great white design. So these are great in puddles, baths, hot tubs and even swimming pools. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!